Dream Horse is the most inspirational story.
And it's an absolute joy.
Dream Horse is about a woman who comes up with this brilliant idea to enlist the whole community into a syndicate to own a racehorse.
I've never played a real-life person before, and to actually see them was just fantastic.
Who would thought someone would breed a racehorse on allotments?
He needs a name.
Dream Alliance!
Dream Alliance!
You can't help but get high on the positivity of it.
It's got everything. It's got characters which are funny.
We are after the races!
And the story of Dream, you're just so there.
Anything was possible.
The heart of this movie is so unbelievably huge.
Dreams of beauty.
Proper Valley's Point.
The story, it's amazing.
Dream Horse in cinemas June 4. Book tickets now.